Hello everyone, welcome to PJ Chemistry channel. With your continuous encouragement, likes, shares, subscribes, successfully we completed 9th class first chapter, matter in our surrounding. Now, today we are going to discuss 10th class first chapter, chemical reactions and equations. Children, here one thing you should remember, before entering into the 10th class first chapter, if you observe once, our chapter name itself, chemical reactions and equations, means whatever topic you are going to learn from 10th class, every chapter having reactions, equations. So here those who having already idea about valency, compound ions, this all, they can able to write easily. But those who not having any knowledge about atomic numbers, valency, some ions, how to write formulas, they will feel very difficult 10th class chemistry. So to balance both, those who knows, those who don't knows, whatever we need for 10th class, minimum basics. Minimum basics. Today in this video we are going to discuss this. So everyone, those who knows, those who don't knows, whatever past is, leave it. Present, what we need to do to overcome 10th class very easily with maximum marks. Okay, follow today's what we are going to discuss. If you keep it in your mind, this, you will not do any mistakes in the reactions and equations. So let's start, children. First, everyone should know the symbols. Minimum 30 elements. Symbol, atomic number. Okay, so first class today I'm going to discuss only basic information which we need for 10th class, easy to understand upcoming. Element, atomic number, atomic number. Everyone should know this because we need to write one formula, means we should know compulsory valency. Valency we should get means we should know the atomic number. Interlinked. So if you know the atomic numbers, 80% equations you can able to write easily. Hydrogen, first element is hydrogen. The symbol of hydrogen is H. Atomic number 1. Helium 2. Lithium, first letter always capital letter. If it is only one letter symbol, first only one letter H, hydrogen, like that, capital letter. If two letter symbols are there, means first letter capital letter, next letter always small letter. Lithium, Li, first letter capital letter, second letter small letter, like this. Beryllium, Be, boron, 5 atomic number, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10. 1 to 10. Hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10. Next, element, atomic number. Atomic number denoted by capital Z. You can use, instead of writing atomic number symbol, like you can use capital Z. Uh, Sodium. The symbol of sodium is Na. It is taken from the symbol taken from Latin name sodium, Na. Okay. Symbol taken from Latin name is natrium. Natrium, first two letters Na. Natrium. That symbol they taken here. Next. So sodium atomic number 11. Magnesium 12. Aluminium 13. Silicon 14. Phosphorus 15. Sulfur 16. Chlorine 17. Argon 18. Potassium. Potassium Latin name is Kalium. The symbol potassium taken from Latin name Kalium. Kalium first letter is K. So they are using K. 19. Calcium Ca 20. Calcium Ca 20. Calcium Ca 20. Sodium 11. Magnesium 12. Aluminium 13. Silicon 14. Phosphorus 15. Sulfur 16. Chlorine 17. Argon 18. Potassium 19. Calcium 20. Next, from 21 to 30. Till 20 at least you should have everyone in your mind. Element. I am using Z. Z means atomic number. Scandium Sc 21. Titanium 22. Vanadium 23. Chromium 24. Manganese Mn. Manganese 25. Iron. Iron taken from Latin name. Symbol is Fe. Ferrum. Latin name is ferrum. 26. Cobalt 27. Nickel 28. Copper 29. Zinc Iron 30. These are the elements everyone should know. Every children, what they will do means, first directly they will involve into the subject. They will try to by heart. They cannot able to remember. that affect continuous entire academic year because they are lagging in this. So for small lagging, we are going to suffer entire academic year. Finally, we will feel chemistry difficult. So those elements atomic numbers 1 to 30. Now what I am going to do, a list of ions, just 10 to 12 ions I will do. Okay, just temporary for 10th class. This we used to call polyatomic ions or compound ions. Polyatomic ions or compound ions. Once you refer your ninth class textbook, this all were there in that also. Polyatomic ions. Yes. Ammonium ion. Ammonium ion. Ammonium ion means NH4 plus. Yeah, number of atoms as well as the charge compulsory you should remember. Ammonium ion NH4 plus is nothing but plus 1 or 1 plus. Next, hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion. OH charge minus, which is important for 10th class. Those ions only I am giving. I am not going more and more ions. Nitrate ion. Nitrate ion. NO3 minus. Compulsory should remember charge as well as number of atoms. NO3 minus. While remembering NO3 charge at last. You should remember. Bicarbonate ion. Bicarbonate ion. HCO3 minus. Minus means minus 1. Plus means plus 1. Okay. Nothing number mentioned means 1 we should consider. Bicarbonate ion, another name is, they used to give hydrogen carbonate. Hydrogen carbonate. Like this also. Sometimes they will ask hydrogen carbonate. Hydrogen carbonate. Same. Both are same. Same formula. Bicarbonate ion or hydrogen carbonate ion. Both are same formula. HCO3 minus. Next. Permanganate ion. Permanganate ion. manganate MnO4 minus. Permanganate ion MnO4 minus. Next, chlorate ion. Chlorate ion. ClO3 minus. Chlorate ion ClO3 minus. With the charge almost all I covered, which are important with the charge 1. Next, related to charge 2, which are important. Carbonate ion. Carbonate ion. CO3 2 minus. CO3 2 minus. Sulfate ion. Sulfate ion. SO4 2 minus. Next, dichromate ion. Cr2O7 O7 2 minus. Dichromate ion Cr2O7 2 minus. Next, just here I updated one more. Acetate ion CH3COO minus. Acetate ion CH3COO minus. Like acetic acid, we need to write means this acetate ion required. Next, here no place. I will update at last. First, continue this. Charge 2, these 3. Next, charge 3 ions. Phosphate ion. Phosphate ion. PO4 3 minus. Related charge 1 more ion I forgot to write here. I will update at last here. 12th ion, nitrite ion. It is also important. When we decompose the potassium nitrate, nitrate will form. At the time, we should use this formula, nitrite ion, NO2 minus. Here we discussed nitrate ion, NO3 minus. One oxygen less, that is nitrite ion. Yes, children? So, those atomic numbers 1 to 30 and with the symbol compulsory, remember, symbol only we need. And these ions with charge Once if you keep it in the mind, you will never fail to write the reactions and equations. You will feel very easy and you can able to balance very neatly. You will not do any formulas mistake. Marks will be allotted for equations. Equation, one small change. NaCl, sodium chloride. That is the correct formula. If you write NaCl2, your marks completely, you are going to lose. So, to avoid that small mistake you will feel, but that is only big mistake to the evaluator. To avoid that mistakes, these ions and atomic numbers will help you a lot. So, my suggestion for every student, now only classes may be starting, are going to start, already started, no problem. Initially, you don't habituate to by heart. If you start to by heart chapters, that will be entire your academic year will be confusion only. First, learn this, then enter into the topic. Okay, these ions and atomic numbers, how to use, that is also we will discuss. Yes, to write any formula, first we need valency of that particular elements in a formula. For example, simple example, the given word formula like this: sodium chloride, sodium chloride. They are asking to write the formula. These basics related to ninth class, but in 10th class they won't ask write the formula. They will ask write the balanced equation. Okay. So first basics. Sodium chloride. We need to write formula. First, what we want to do, from the given word equation, we should collect the symbols. Sodium. What is the symbol of sodium? Na. Sodium symbol is Na. Chloride. You observe here, children. Chloride. IDE. Chloride. IDE. At last, IDE. Other means you have to take the symbol of element, not from ion what I given. You should take symbol of element. Means chloride means chlorine we should take. Chloride means symbol of chlorine we should take. After taking the particular elements symbols, now we should write their valency. We should write their valency. How to write the valency of the particular elements? Easy way means, already you learned 30 elements atomic numbers. In that, if you observe 3 elements, helium, neon, argon. 3 elements. These 3 elements we consider as noble gases, inert gases. Okay, helium, neon, argon. Helium atomic number is 2. Neon 10. Argon 18. Okay, just keep these 3 in the mind separately. Noble gases within 30 elements: helium, neon, argon. Helium, neon, argon. Helium 2, neon 10, argon 18, their atomic numbers. Now, to find valency, sodium, I want sodium valency. I know already sodium atomic number. Sodium atomic number is 11. What is the valency of sodium? Among these 3 elements, helium, neon, argon, they are already stable within 20 elements, every element trying to get the stability of these elements. Sodium atomic number 11, neon atomic number 10. Means sodium nearest noble gas element is neon. Sodium nearest noble gas element is neon. Neon means 10, sodium means 11. So sodium want to get neon stability. 10 electrons means sodium want to lose 1 electron. Sodium want to lose 1 electron. So sodium want to lose 1 electron. Valency, that is only either loss or gain or share. Valency is nothing but number of electrons loss or gain or share. That is called valency. So sodium valency is 1. Why they lose or gain or share? To get stability of nearest noble gas elements. Nearest noble gas elements. Okay. So within 20 elements, every element trying to get stability of among these three anyone. Among these three anyone. Okay. So sodium valency is 1. Now what about chlorine valency? Immediately chlorine atomic number is 17. Among these three, which is nearest? Chlorine 17, argon 18. So argon is near to the chlorine. So chlorine want to get stability of argon means chlorine should gain 1 electron. Already 17 electrons are there. If it gain 1 electron, it will get stability of argon. So number of electrons gaining how many? 1. 1. 1 is the valence. Okay. To get stability, the particular element, how many electrons loss, how many electrons gain, how many electrons share. That is we call valency. Okay. So sodium to get stability loss 1 electron, chlorine to get stability gain 1 electron. At that time, sodium loss means positive charge, gain means negative charge. Sodium loss 1 electron to get stability. Okay, electron means negative charge. Negative loss is lose means positive increase of 1. Like that. Chlorine gain. This all not required directly write valency. How many electrons loss, how many electrons gain. Sodium loss 1 electron, so sodium valency is 1. Chlorine gain 1 electron, so chlorine valency is 1. Now cross multiply. There is cross over the valencies. Sodium 1 time, chlorine 1 time in this formula. Sodium chloride. This is the formula of sodium chloride. By chance, you taken wrong valency, your formula you will get wrong. Instead of 1, you taken 2, gone. Means atomic number, if you not remember properly, automatically our thoughts will change here. For example, chlorine 17 atomic number, but by mistake you remember like chlorine atomic number is 16. But here you will check which is near. Atomic number 16 you consider, near argon you can consider. At the time you will take 2 electrons gaining. Automatically here you will write 2. So complete formula wrong. So they are all very careful. Atomic numbers perfectly you should remember. Okay. Once or twice you practice until get confident. You only cross verify chlorine atomic number 17 correct or not. Okay. Like that how many ways if possible that much you work until get confidence on atomic numbers and the list of ions what I give. This all varies. Now I want formula for beryllium or magnesium. Magnesium nitride. Immediately I said no. At last, IDE, that means we should take that particular element only. Means now here IDE observed. So nitride means nitrogen. Magnesium, complete name, magnesium symbol is Mg. Nitride means nitrogen. Now, write their valency. These are mind calculations we are writing here this much, but you are in 10th class. You should not go like this for calculation and all. Mind calculation. Within seconds you should complete. Immediately. Magnesium. Magnesium. Atomic number 12. Nearest noble gas element, neon. Magnesium. Atomic number 12. Nearest noble gas element is neon. So, magnesium lose 2 electrons to get stability. So, 2. Valence is 2. Nitrogen atomic number 7. Nearest noble gas element is neon. Sir, how are you considering neon only? Why can't go for helium? You think like that also. Why? You should take neon only. Nitrogen 7 atomic number. If I consider neon is near, how much difference? 7, 10 means 3 difference. If I consider helium is near, difference how much? 5. Which is the less number? 3 is less number, no? Which is the less number? That is only near. Okay, that is only we are considering as a valency of particular element. So, nitrogen to get stability of neon gain 3 electrons. That is only want to get stability of helium means want to lose 5 electrons. 5 electrons want to lose means very difficult. So easy to gain 3 electrons. Like that, which is a less number, that is only whenever you having this type of confusion, why can't we go for helium or argon? At the time you cross verify like this. Lose means how much, gain means how much to get stability. Okay. For example, so nitrogen, neon want to get means 3 electrons want to gain. Nitrogen want to get stability of argon means nitrogen having 7 electrons, still 10 electrons want to gain. 10 electrons want to gain means very difficult. So, easy to get stability of neon by taking 3 electrons. So, neon only near. Finalize. Neon. So, nitrogen valency is 3 because nearest noble gas element is neon. Now, cross multiply. Crisscross it over the valencies. Magnesium 3 times. Magnesium 3 times. Nitrogen 2 times. This is magnesium nitride. Nitride. IDE. IDE coming means the particular element we should take as a symbol. Nitride. Okay. Now, start using elements only. I can't go far. Ions also what we learned. Yes. Sodium bicarbonate. So, given formula split into 2 parts. First part sodium, second part bicarbonate. Here also first part sodium, second part chloride. Here also first part magnesium, second part nitride. Okay. First whatever divided 2 parts that you write as a symbols. Sodium symbol is Na. Bicarbonate we learned in ions, polyatomic ions. Bicarbonate ion. Bicarbonate ion. HCO3 minus. Minus means minus 1 or 1. Okay. Now, sodium immediately. For elements, these are the reference to finalize valency. Sodium atomic number 11. Nearest noble gas element neon. So, sodium valency is 1. Bicarbonate ion. Its charge is minus 1. The charge only act as a valency. The charge only act as a valency. So sodium cross multiply sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. This is we call sodium bicarbonate formula. Sodium bicarbonate. Next, calcium hydroxide. Hydroxide. So given formula, make it two parts. Calcium element, hydroxide ion. Okay. The symbol of calcium is Ca. Hydroxide ion OH minus. So OH minus is nothing but the charge only valency here. Calcium atomic number 20. Nearest noble gas element is argon. Lose 2 electrons to get stability of argon. So calcium atomic number 20. Lose 2 electrons means its valency is 2. Now cross multiply. Calcium 1 time OH 2 times. Calcium hydroxide Ca. Polyatomic ions more than 1 time are there means we should put in the bracket and we should OH how many times? 2 times, twice. Calcium hydroxide. This is the formula for calcium hydroxide. Yes, children, I hope you understood. Practice like this, but don't forget to remember atomic numbers and what I given list of ions. If you know that, like this, you can able to write very easy formulas. Okay, and easily you will overcome equations. Thank you.